Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about MS Access. What is what is a MS Access? What is a MS Access? MS Access is a most popular RDBMS in a MS Office suite. MS Access is the most popular RDMS in a MS Office suite. RDBMS is the one topic and another topic is MS Office suite. So first we are going to MS Office suite. MS Office suite is a collection of one and more program just like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and MS Access. Second topic is the RDBMS. Today my topic is RDBMS. RDBMS RDBMS provides a relation between RDBMS provide a relation between attribute and attribute values. RDBMS RDBMS is provides a relation between attributes and attributes values. What is the attributes? And what is the values? So we are going to a table. We are going to a table. We are going to a table. Table is a collection of row and columns. Row and columns. Every column have a one attribute, just like a serial number, roll number and name. This is the called attributes. Every attribute contain a value. Every attribute contain a value 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B. Every attributes have a own value. That is our attributes value. This is the value. This is the value. The relation between attributes and values is a tuple. This is the tuples. This is the tuples. We have going to RDBMS. RDBMS is a relation between attribute and attribute value, and relational database management system. RDBMS is a relational database management system that is to provide the relation between attributes and attributes value. This is the RDBMS. Such as an example are as a table. Table have a contain attributes and attributes values. That is the relational database. There are three types of RDBMS. Three types of RDBMS. नंबर 1 DDL. DDL means data definition language. Second is DML, data manipulation language. And third is a DCL, data control language. Third is a DCL, data control language. We are consider three types of RDBMS just like a DDL, DML and DCL. DDL means data definition language. How to define a data? DDL means data definition language. Data definition language means how to define a data in a database, that is called DDL. DML, how to data manipulate in a database that is called DML. That and DCL, how to control a data we can use data control language.
Start.
We can read all topics DDL, DML and DCL. Firstly we learn about DDL. Data definition Data definition language. Why we use data definition language? Why we use data definition language? Data definition language used by a user for creating and modifying a structure, creating and modifying a structure about database and tables. Firstly, we can use create command, create. Second is a alter. Third is a rename. Fourth is a drop. Fifth is a delete, and fifth is a truncate.